Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed the video. This thing is an absolute weapon. Maybe it's given you some inspiration. Maybe you've seen some things on here that you really, really like. You can see straight away we have the FT aluminium hubs. So, me and my mate Dunford, we were talking about RB7s the other day, and I was having a look over his and comparing it to mine, and I thought, that's new, Dunford. That part's new. Okay, when did you change that? And then it occurred to me, this guy, he spent a fortune, and I thought, your B7, my friend, is looking, it's worth a dedicated video. He should be proud of this machine. I know I would be. I think I counted over 25 option parts on this beast. We're going to go through all of them. That's Dunford's colours. Very nice. Very nice. But this is fully loaded. It's absolutely fully loaded. It's got the latest Hobbywing ESC, and when you look closely, it's absolutely stacked. So make a cup of tea, get a coffee going, get a cold one, because in this video we're going to dedicate this to Dunford's B7 because I want it. Now I need to spend some money. It's Christmas. Now, well, you only live once. You're having a baby next month. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, is that Stuart at Island RC? Yeah. Yeah, it's bad. Roll the video. So even just taking the wheel nuts off, we have got, I think, titanium J Concepts wheel nuts. Okay, so let's deep dive into Dunford's B7. So first and foremost, the J Concepts wheel nuts straight away. Looking at the front end first, we've got the FT adjustable KPI set. We have got the J Concepts blue turnbuckles. We have got the wing mount. We've got the wing mount with the titanium screws. We have got the carbon wishbones, the aluminium bulkhead. You will also notice these awesome screws throughout. These are the J Concepts titanium blue screws, looking really nice. We have got, on any pro level, associated the Kashima shock bodies. We have got in there the FT aluminium rack and bell cranks, and also the horn. We've got the FT one-piece servo mounts. We have got a Reedy that's the RT200 7A servo. That front end is well equipped. What else can we see on this front end? Have I missed anything in the mountain of blue goodness? Moving on. So the middle of the car now. So we've got the new G3 Hobbywing, which I've got to say looks absolutely sensational. we have got the carbon battery strap or kit with, of course, the blue J Concepts titanium screws, the FF Racing sensor lead sticker, and I think for the front and the middle, that is pretty good. Moving on to the back, Hobbywing 13.5 motor, and I would assume that is a G4, but I could be wrong. One up fan shroud on there, one up fan shroud rigged up to the one up fan mount, J Concepts aluminium battery terminals, very nice. So moving on to the rear of this beautiful car, you can see straight away we have the FT aluminium hubs, carbon arms, same as the front, Kashima shock bodies, of course, same as the front, carbon, I'm not sure on the carbon wing mount what brand that is, could be AE. Moving on to the rear, we have got the FT rear ball stud mount, we have got the RDRP, yeah, ARB holder, the HRC aluminium hubs as just mentioned. We have got the R1 slipper looking super sleek and sexy. Of course, the titanium turnbuckles, same as the front. So let's just make sure we've got everything so far on this beautiful machine. So just going over that list one last time, let's pop that in shot. It has got the FT front wing mount, TI screws, the adjustable KPI sets on the front, Kashima shock bodies all round. It's got the aluminium bell cranks and the steering rack and the horn, the reedy servo, the one piece reedy mount, the G3. It's got the FF Racing sticker, the J Concepts battery terminals, the carbon battery holder, the one up shroud, the one up fan, the Kashimas on the back, carbon wing mount. It's got those blue, look at those, just look at those blue J Concepts dome head screws. It's got those hubs, the FT HRCs. It's got all the aluminium pieces at the back. Wow, what an absolute machine. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed the video. This thing is an absolute weapon. Maybe it's given you some inspiration, maybe you've seen some things on here that you really like, or maybe it's made you want a B7 even more. Either way, is there a better thing out there than a decked out B7? I don't know. That is pretty nice. And if I've forgot anything or missed anything on this quick review of Dunfords B7, then please hit me up in the comments. I'm sure I've probably missed a couple of bits.